I hear the ticking of the clock. I'm lying here, switched off. I wonder where you are tonight. No answer on the telephone. And the night goes by so very slow. Oh, I hope that it won't end. Till now, I always thought I on my own. I never really cared until I met you. And now it takes me to the dawn. How do I get you alone? You don't know how long I have waited to touch your lips and hold you tight. You don't know how long I have waited, and I was gonna tell you but the secret is still my own, and my love to you is still unknown. Always thought I on my own. I never really cared until I met you. And now it chills me to the bone.